Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing Apex Gold Expert Advisor, another gold EA from the same developer behind Genesis VIP and Gold AI EA. And this time, the backtest tells a very different story than either of those. Okay, so a quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. Okay, so Apex Gold is built for MetaTrader 4, and we're just going to walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Dimitri Evgenov's Co, currently in version 1.7 with 10 activations. The Apex Gold EA is currently priced at 867 US dollars. And according to the description, Apex Gold is pitched around high accuracy market entries using algorithms that weigh price patterns, technical indicators, and macroeconomic data to time entries. The listed key features are fairly standard for this developers lineup: highly accurate entries aimed at trend reversal and continuation points, adaptability across both volatile and calm conditions, customizable parameters for different instruments and time frames, and full automation. So one thing worth noting, is that the internal parameter structure here with names like Name AI and Magic AI closely mirrors what we saw in this developer's Gold AI EA listing, suggesting that these products likely share a common underlying template. All right, now with respect to the requirements, the page lists XAU USD and US30 as symbols, and then for the time frames we have M1 to M5 and a minimum capital of $500. Any broker with a low spread preferred, and leverage from 1:500. A VPS is described as desirable but not required. The page includes built-in stop loss and take profit risk management, and the standard disclaimer that past performance doesn't guarantee future results and losses are possible. Okay, now let us get into the historical testing, and this one needs to be walked through honestly, okay, because the result is stark. All right, so I ran this on a $10,000 account, as you can see here, and I ran the test on gold on the M5 time frame as recommended, covering roughly 3 months from late April to late July 2026 with a modeling quality of 90%. You can see here, this actually shows the tester report. It's just a screenshot of the tester report that was downloaded from here. Okay, so we have a modeling quality of about 90%, and the total net result for that period was a loss of exactly $10,000. Essentially, the entire starting deposit gone. So breaking that down, the gross profit was $35,513 against a gross loss of $45,513, giving a profit factor of 0.78. The maximum drawdown hit 100%. All right, because the entire balance was lost, so of course maximum drawdown was 100%. And out of 5,759 total trades, which is a very high frequency, only about 12% were profitable. You can see specifically, precisely 11.93% were profitable. At one point, the test recorded a streak of 47 consecutive losing trades. We can see that here, consecutive losing trades in a row, 47 of them. Interestingly, the average and largest winning trades, you know, uh, they were actually bigger than the average and largest losing trades. As you can see, the largest win was $480 against a largest loss of $157.6. And the average profit was $51.69, while the average loss was $8.97. But with a win rate this low, this win rate is so low. With a win rate this low, sitting under 12%, that favorable size ratio was not nearly enough to offset how often the account lost. All right. So looking at the equity curve from this test, it is not a single sharp blow up. All right. It's a steady, gradual decline from the starting balance down to essentially nothing over the full 3 month period. Initially, it was as if the balance was sort of fluctuating a lot. It was sort of a rise and fall sort of situation. And then from being a rise and fall situation over just a narrow range, we can see here it was a narrow range, a rise and fall situation within a narrow range. And from there, it just started dropping consistently until the entire balance was lost. All right. So to wrap up, based on the available information, all right, this particular test, let me just turn on the visuals as well so we can see how this EA looks like in action. Okay, so this particular test shows Apex Gold losing essentially its entire starting capital, all right, driven primarily by a very low win rate around 12%, including a run of 47 straight losing trades, despite individual wins outsizing individual losses. All right, so that is a meaningfully different outcome than what we have seen from these same developers' other products. Now, it is also worth taking seriously given how complete the loss was here. Okay, and I'm just gonna recommend testing this across different time periods, time frames and risk settings before considering it further. Now, yeah, since this particular run does not inspire confidence in the current default configuration. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. All right, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.